Hey everybody, I started working on this canvas and I wanted to show you how sparkly and beautiful this canvas is. I hope that the camera will pick it up. There are so many ABs in this kit too. It is, I know there's a shadow over it, sorry. But oh my gosh, it is just so beautiful. And I have been working on it now for a couple nights. I started working on it, and this is the kit, the little extra kit that you can order to come with it. Let's see if I can lay these out for you and show you. So that is the little extra kit. It's a drill pen with a little bee on it, and then there she is, a little wax pot, and then your tray. And so I am just super excited about this and how it's coming out and how beautiful it is. So I wanted to share that with you guys, a quick little video. We have a few of these left in the store, so these kits are going to be going in the store tomorrow for the extra kits, the designer kits. So anyway, just a quick little sneak peek, and wanted to share that with you guys. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.